Hey guys, so today I have another review for you guys. I was sent another pair of eyelashes to review by this company named Astrology lash strips. I'm just going to show you their packaging. It came in like this holographic bubble wrap package, and this right here it says Astrology. She gave me some of her business cards. This is what it looks like. Astrology. I love her design on the card. It's very nice. I also got they gave me some tweezers. You know I love tweezers. And these tweezers are cute. Like, they just look like this. The one thing that caught my eye about this eyelash company is the fact that they name all of their lashes according to like zodiac signs. That's why it's called Astrology. So my birthday is in January 9th to be exact. I'm a Capricorn, so I chose she told me to choose my zodiac sign, and they're bomb. They're so cute. They're just the type of eyelash that I love to wear too. It's crazy. Like, you know, like the eyelashes that start off little and then you gradually get longer. Those are my kind. So here are the lashes. And it came packaged in like this diamond acrylic case. And it has like holographic paper behind it. And you see it says Capricorn. Alright, so let's get into the makeup look. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows, but now I'm just going to set my eyelids with my P. Louise base. And I'm just going to dab it on my eyelid like so. And then I'm going to blend it in with my blending brush. Next, I'll be going in with my Jaclyn X Morphe palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Smooth Criminal. And I'll just be placing that above my crease. Next, I'm going to use my P. Louise eyeshadow base to cut my crease. Going back in with my Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to take the shade Classified and apply that to the area that I just concealed. Excuse the appearance of my Morphe palette, but going in with my Morphe palette, I will be taking the shade Hot to Trot and placing that directly behind the shade Classified that I just placed on my lid. And once I'm done patting that shade in, I'm going to take my finger and just blend the two shades together just to create an ombre effect. Next, I'll be going back in with my Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette and taking the shade Proud and placing that on my outer lid. And this is what my eyeshadow looks like. And next I'll be taking my NYX eyeliner and just lining my lash line to get ready to apply my lashes. I'm just going to apply some of my duo glue to my lash strip and apply the lashes. And here's what they look like on. Don't worry, the white residue will go away once the glue dries. And now it's time for my favorite part, highlights. I'm going to take the shade Coin and Classified and highlight my cheekbones and my brow bone. I know you see me shining. Look at that. That highlight is on her beam. Girl, you looking good. Don't kill him with the look now. Next, I'll be taking my Milani liquid lipstick in the shade Obsession and my Too Faced Melted Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Bend and Snap. And I'll be doing an ombre lip with this duo. And I'll be outlining the perimeter of my lips with the Obsession shade by Milani, and then I'll be going in on my bottom lip in the center with the shade Bend and Snap. That completes the look. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.
But I don't wanna play your games no more. I changed for sure, and I'm balling on you. Watch me pull off in that phone. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Why has it been so long? Why has it been so long? Me, is it true? It's through this, baby, we climb. Yeah. I just flip the switch, flip.